Here we go. Part 3 of this black XK8. Time to see if I can get that rear window out, the rear side window. Once again, the top has to be lowered. Okay, there are definite signs that someone has been here before. Nuts and bolts that weren't tight. This should be attached and it's not. I'll deal with that. As I said, this bar has to come out. And what else do we need to get to? Not really sure. It's a case of suck it and see, I'm afraid. Never dealt with one of these before. But don't worry, we'll get the fucker out. Now you can't see it at the moment, at least I don't think you can. No, you can't. But the cable has gone haywire. I'll show it to you in a little while. Okay, one of the first things to do is to get this seatbelt undone. It is a T50, and do note it has these nice little clips down here. They're usually broken. This one is not. Okay, so let's get that out and then we'll be back. Right, there's a couple of Phillips screws. There's one here and there's one on the front here. So let's get those out. I don't think that's the original screw. I'll notice there's another screw here that may have to come out. Seems to hold the seal. And now we've got this to undo, which I think is going to be a 10mm. No, it's not. That's going to be an 8. Let me go get my tool. Okay, I've got this out. It's actually a 9mm, not an 8. And that should get this top off. There we go. And that can now be put out of the way. Now we can see what's in here. Just trying to figure out how else this comes out. Got to peel the door trim off. Now, hopefully, I don't think so. Maybe. And then that panel comes out. Now, again, there is a loop there to get the seatbelt out. I don't think I'm going to worry about that. Right, let me show you inside here. Come for a walk with me. Hang on a second, let me turn that around. So now what we need to do is remove this speaker to get it out of the way. Then maybe it will reveal what the hell is going on. Hang on a second. Yeah, then maybe it will reveal what the hell's going on with this window. Interesting. Here there's a label and it says 9/2 black oat. Obviously that's to do, oat is the interior colour, black is obviously the exterior. Okay, well yeah, let's get the speaker out of the way. It's got Torx in it, let me see what they are. Yeah, next things you'll have to do is remove the Phillips screw from there, because this seal has to come off. This is the inner seal, and unclip, whatever you want to call it, these 4 plastic things, and every one of them will break. It is guaranteed. So you'll need to get 4 new little ones, and also you'll have to get the broken pieces out. Then that just lifts up and off. Wonderful. You will also have to remove this bar to give you access. Now, one of the things that they were talking about, I'm going to try and avoid, is to remove the top, which sounds like a load of bollocks, and it has also been debunked by a guy on the Jaguar forums, and he has produced a PDF file. I will give you a link to that so that you've got an easier way with the pictures. Now, this shield that is over the motor here, it seems very brittle. I'm going to try and get it out without breaking it, but I can make no promises. I don't think most cars have them. And someone has been here in the past. So let's see how it goes. I also forgot to mention, you will want to take this outer seal off. It's quite easy, you just pull it. And that is now it out of the way. This is so that you've got as much room as possible, because you do have to bring everything up, I believe, through here. Yeah, that's going to be fun. Not quite sure how that's going to work. Don't know if I can take that off. I might be able to undo this nut here. Yeah, you can see there's glue there. Someone's definitely been here before. But I think undoing that is not going to gain me anything, is it? We will see. We will see, because there's another nut there. See, there's a nut there. As if that will get that edge off. Oh, maybe it will. Just that little piece. I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, I think it will. And I bet that's going to be another 9mm. And now that's going to be an 8mm. Fucking hell. Jaguar. So let's undo those 2 nuts, bolts, and see what kind of room that gives me. And one thing that I did note, which I would do anyway, is I'm going to put some tape across here. That way it reduces the odds of scratching the paintwork when you're fucking around here. So I will get the tape on there. I'll use some of that good old blue tape. 2 or 3 layers of blue tape should be enough. But let's get that out. Okay, I've removed the bolt here and the bolt here. Now this, yep, that just lifts out. Nice and easy. Another piece for the pile. Can we see anything down here? Not really. Yeah, my gimbal's gone weird. Okay, didn't show this yesterday. That panel has now been removed. Not sure what kind of access it's going to give me. I'll find that out when I put the roof back up. However, I have also removed the bar that was here. And I'm hoping that when I undo the bolts that hold the window regulator, that it comes out with that plastic shroud, because it seems to be in there really tight. Right, I'm going to end the video here, because this is quite a long job to do all of this, and I need to edit the video and get it out. So, get out in the garage, go do your shit. Bye.